and welcome, S-Universe. Welcome back to San Francisco. Welcome to our Leadership Forum. Welcome, community.
The Leadership Forum brings together all of the leaders that have been working with us to build this global organization this past year.
Feeling good. So much fun having all of you here.
I want to hear more about that. Doesn't everybody else?
Imagine walking into a room where you have corporate executives, you have startup entrepreneurs, you have people running NGOs.
They realize that they could be a catalyst for making the world a better place along with their own local community.
In the room, we're representing over 176,000 alumni around the globe, and we have 62 countries where we have SingularityU leaders in.
We have people here who are from China, from Singapore.
Pirish from Pakistan.
And I am from El Salvador.
Detroit, Michigan.
I am from Ukraine.
Bangkok, Thailand.
We have South Africa.
Canada.
Australia, New Zealand.
Denmark, Germany, Italy.
You name it, there are people here from those countries.
Think about Venezuela as an open innovation lab for everybody.
And he's getting funding because he came to our events and he networked and he met other people who helped him.
The brand of Singularity University around the world is extraordinary.
When we want to do some blockchain chapter or some artificial intelligence, who should I talk with?
There's this global community that thinks differently, operates differently, and is connected to do something at a higher level. And that, I think, is like the most powerful force on the planet today.
Hyper-engaged influencers, so they're core members.
When you mash up these diverse people and their ideas and their experiences and the projects that they're working on, really magical things happen.
And you will have, it looks like, infinite rad ideas per conversation.
How can we make the world a better place?
What do you want to know? What would it take to move your group from where it is to an amazing, awesome, exponential place?
Water unites us all.
Just moving the whole education of the community.
People are super energized today. They create these social bonds and then they're able to take that and learn from each other and help each other throughout the whole year.
And exchange information.
I saw Global Grand Challenges with technologies, so I need to be part of this.
Take the time to connect with all these people and see where they've been and what they know and what they can share.
There's a lot of cross-pollination happening right now, and so we learned so much from the other leadership team members.
They're going out into the villages. If that's not possible, you could have a session at the event.
I think that the people in this room are committed with changing the world.
If you can get rid of the boundaries and borderlines, maybe anything is possible.
When I think about the next 10 years at Singularity University, I think about creating real tangible roadmaps to the future. So it's not just the ideas. That got everybody excited. That got everybody to come together as part of this community. But we want to take action, and we want to do it together.